addressing a few items today, given that it's a Labour Day. Some of you know what it means. The Labour Day. Labour Day, traditionally, you know that it has been known. The day to address the issues and rights of workers. I've listened to the MCA's response. I'm happy that you are bearing in mind that these people, over time, they have not been paid. Some of them have not been paid. Today, I may give direction on a number of issues so that it wants to bring happiness in their homes. I'm sure hapa kila mtu ameona kama ameelewa, isipokuwa wachache. I would be surprised that mjaoa umeolewa na your wife, or you go and think, or you wanted a team suddenly kwa account, no way. I agree with the assessment I have here. Again, I want to regret the idea of the indeed mentioned. Is a concern. I came into the office, got that we are doing 62% of revenue. 62%. Since I came in the office, I've only done around 47 employments. I said 36. That is the CSs, chief officers, advisors, and and is one, and is close to 2 years. It's close to that we will make sure those who are working, they have to earn from where they are working. Those who are not working, they cannot earn from not working. And I will give action. Allow me to read this statement. Welcome, and I thank you for prompt honoring the invitation to attend this meeting to celebrate Kenya's workforce. I deliberately cause or choose to meet you today. A holiday that focus on workers and not role you play in service delivery. As you are aware, Labour Day was set aside due to pressure from the international labour movement on employers in agitating for workers' welfare as a day to recognize and celebrate the workers who put in their efforts in delivery of service for public good. Such recognition then subsequently ushered in a forum for consultation and negotiation between employees and their employers on matters staff welfare as opposed to resorting to industrial action. Now, when I came in as a governor in August 2022, I was briefed that the outgoing administration had hired a good number of staff at the tail end of the term, those during the election time. I just mentioned that in those 2 months, most of you would have been employed there, while they don't look into the financial implication. Some of you, it may end with the results that you have been giving promoted services. And this is what I want to really do our way. You have a family, you have a life, we must be concerned of ending in quotes who is called are kissing already. And that's why I did call you guys. I'm aware that some of the staffs have yet to be assigned personal file numbers to facilitate their accommodation in county pay. At the time, we have those who are in payroll, but yet to be absorbed on impermanent terms still under probation for the last 20 months. Still, we have those who are in casual employment from the former local authority whose pending matters have not been resolved to date. It's important to note that while I had latitude to dismiss the holdups at the one onset, I compassionately let it be, awaiting an opportune moment to address you or your case in a lean and dignified manner. And that's why today I'm here to address the issues. As for the staff who are already on permanent and pension, I'm seized of their concerns on stagnation in said job over years and a quest for capacity building and further training. I know there are those ones who had expected promotion. Some people jump from job group K to R, N to R, because R is the highest job group in terms of the service. If you don't have money, and I'm talking to those ones who are on permanent and pension, if you don't have money or you don't know anybody in the county, you stagnate in one position forever. Or if you are money, you will be moved through the can within 1 or 2 years. You are directed. But again, I'm directed the board. An accelerated promotion must be considered. People must go through that. Let me take this opportunity to bear with you and ask that you remain patient for the light at the end, for the light is at the end of the tunnel. If your documents, and I want to say, if your documents are up to date and the employment procedure were duly followed, you will be taken in. For this, I know there are those ones who got their shortcut. At the time the service board then, there was an advert, there was shortlisting, there was an interview, there was then what? What is the last bit of that? Employment. There are those ones who got their way straight to employment, who did not go through the process. For sure, for you, you don't have to waste your time in the service. Go look for a different thing. But indeed, if there was an advert, you apply, shortlisted, interview, then employee, I'll observe you and I don't believe. I'll observe you into government. Therefore, for those of you who pay, wengine walikuwa wanaingia kwa ofisi ya county secretary, wanalipa na elfu mbili, 300. Kama si county secretary ni mtu mwingine. There was a lot of business in this town, which we used to talk about in the campaign time. Mtu amemaliza shule form 4, ameenda college, amemaliza, anakuja anazungushwa hapo kwa mahoteli hapo. Mama anaenda anauza ng'ombe. Watu hapo waliuza ng'ombe. Then finally, miaka miwili hujaipata mshahara, ukafanya familia yake ikawa maskini, alafu mwingine akaweka pesa akatoroka. We will never allow it again to happen. Hata wakati nimetoka kwa ofisi, atakubali kwamba why should you go to school? Kama unaweza tafuta pesa walimu I have an idle staff, I'm told, close to 1,000. Secretaries, there are so many. Drivers, so many. When I don't have enough staff for ECD, for health, another member this. As you are aware, we spent the better part of the last financial year and the current financial year to have the county public service board in place, following the enrichment of the former board by the Assembly, who took us again after they were removed from office, took us to court close to 1 year. Here we are, this gentleman, and ladies and gentlemen of the board, I can tell you, how many months are you in office now? The 6th month. Yeah. It's only in January that we managed to have new board. No, it's not the 6th month. See, the board may what's it about? How do you come to the January when we get office? How many December? In December. Yeah, let us talk of 5 months. These guys have been in office for 5 months. That we managed to have the new board in place. This scenario has told our handling of pending human issues. And as I promised earlier, first on the entry of the board was the issue of ECD teachers before handling the cases of those without the PF numbers and the likes. And all of you will graduate this, that most of our ECD teachers, almost all of them, they are on permanent and pensionable terms after we did it here, which was carried out by the service board. Having concluded the case of ECD teachers, I now ask the board to take up matters in accordance to the laws of the Kenya and the County Human Manual, settle pending matters for all the other staff with others. I want to direct that the board you have, and you have to board you have. Of right, good people. Our yes. With agency, if you promise me to come to the family morning, or you will be traveling. Of this week. Probably when any of the one I want to come up to India until the new financial year, kila mtu hata naweza nunua mandazi. Quickly get into the issues. I'm happy that you've already taken out the physical architecture that we need and part of health. And they are dealing with it. Therefore, hawaona mtofauti hivyo tafadhali hata wakaombea hata kama ile sio ubaya. Asante. But for good people, I've directed the board, and that's why I call you here. They must, by the end of the month, they must be in court. If they have absorbed you, I'm going to make sure you have a PF number. For those with PF numbers, come on for payroll. Sababu kuna watu wengi sana pia imekuwa kwa payroll. Inawezekana hao hatuna shida nyingi. In the same vein, in the spirit of liberty, I'm taking this opportunity to ask our medical staff who are on strike to calm down and resume to work. I've spoken to them. I'm the only person in the 47 counties that have taken it easy. We were the first people. These people started their strike here. We went to court. There was a court order asking them to go back to work. They campaigned around the national strike which was there, which should not be there. Then for 2 good months, we have lost life because they are on strike. Other counties already have fired their doctors. their clinicians, but I've kept on this time. I think my patience has come to an end. As from tomorrow, we are ready again to go for another 1 month, 2 months, but we'll have a staff which is ready to work. Because of 2-3 people in discipline cases who are in the building, they have decided to coerce the whole doctor fraternity and the clinicians for them to go on strike. Nasema ole wenu wale ndugu zangu na dada zangu ambao wapo kwa mgomo. Kufikia kesho watu watapewa show cause letters, mishahara abdirected, stopping of their salaries as well. Disciplinary process to be. Because miezi miwili mtu aliyekuwa kwa ofisi, hawa watu wamekaa kwa mwaka mzima wanafanya kazi na wajaili. Alafu kuna watu ambao miezi miwili wamefanya, watu wamekufa, hospitali wamelemaza kila kitu, we're not going to accept. Mimi si kusoma kama daktari, mimi ni mwanasiasa kivyangu, lakini nataka kusema we must utilize public funds properly. Therefore, again, I'm directing the chief officer, who is in acting capacity, to sign all the letters of show causes for the officers who are on strike. And subsequently, want to direct that payroll stop salaries of those people with immediate effects. And we are pursuing the content of court because they were asked to be back to work and they have not been back to work. Na madaktari wengi sana ambao subsequently we see from next week what we do. Watu wengi sana wamesema kwamba wanataka kusaidia kufanya kazi na tutahakikisha kwamba kazi inaendelea. For our brothers, I know there are those ones who I've seen one of the union leaders who are the nurses. Your case is being considered, and you really want you to be patient with the board and with the advice that way, because you have been out. And where's someone? Well, we've been out for over 3 years.
I mean, you paid staff to 24 months.
4 years. And this is a classic example. Our one they went on strike, the former regime dismissed them. And I foresee some of the people, as they are given shows this morning, they retire for another 10 years. But for you guys, it goes again and undertaken. I want to see how we might amicably deal with your issues. What's up? It's open to dialogue with an organization on their welfare, but we can only talk if the medics resume to duty and abandon the industrial action which the court have already pronounced to their disadvantage. We're not, actually, the one who did for me this is a statement, one who said this. We're not negotiating anymore. The court pronounced itself. We are not going to interpret for the court. The court already has interpreted for us that they were supposed to be back to work, and that's all. We don't want to be in contempt of the court. These other counties, they are called for the strike much later, and they have been forced to go back to work, and they are working. There is no way we can have 2 individuals running, doctors and clinicians among. It's imperative that ought to know that while salary increment and allowances for the medical staff can always be recovered, even in arrears, life loss due to striking doctors cannot recover. Kama kama mtu amekufa, afadhali sana ni tunaweza sema hata kama ni miezi 2, 3, 5, we can always pay. But can we pay a life which is lost? Utaweza kweli? Hapana. I therefore ask the striking staff once more that by tomorrow, meeting tomorrow, kama utakuwa umerudi kazini, for sure we will start the process of this. You, hakuna story nyingine. Good people, for those ones who are here today, allow me, honorable members who are here, because you are my bosses again. Nataka niulize hilo sasa. We have to take painful decisions. Hata kama ninyamaza mpaka Disemba, mjifanye sioni. Ni kama allowing, let us assume we have allowed people, wezi wamejaa town. Nasema wezi ni wazuri, ni watu wetu. Finally, we will start killing watu wako kwa barabara. That's why we must take the first step of turning insecurity. Hii mji imekuwa mji mzuri sana. But incidents, and I want to say some incidents, zimekuwa zinapangwa na watu ambao wanajulikana na serikali who are supposed to arrange living insecurity. Kwa hiyo mimi kama gavana wenu nitauliza watu wote, nyinyi wachajua ni watu wangapi wako katika health ambao wako katika department ya health? Hebu simama ni health.